Take a deep breath and listen to the gentle sound of the colorful candle wax slowly scraping away. Focus only on the soft textures, the smooth layers, and the calming rhythm of each relaxing scrape. Watch the colors peel away one by one. So satisfying, so peaceful. Let your thoughts slow down as the soft scraping sounds fill your mind with calmness. Feel the stress leaving your body with every smooth motion. There's nothing to think about right now, just the relaxing sound, the colorful wax, and this peaceful moment. Close your eyes if you want to, and let the soothing ASMR sound help your mind relax, unwind, and drift into a calm and sleepy state. Listen closely to the next satisfying peel. So smoke, so coming, so relaxing.